Last summer when we were working on the cabin, my Makita drill started blowing blue sparks out the back, and I thought it was done. I was just about to throw it in the recycle bin this year, and I thought, before I do that, I'll look up and see what the problem could potentially be. And it said that the brushes might be worn or dirty. So I ordered some new brushes, and I'm going to try to replace them and see if that helps. This is an HP2050 Makita hammer drill. And what I found is that you can see all kinds of sparks are coming out of it. So, by all accounts, the brushes, first thing I ought to do is unplug this thing. There we go. Don't want to make that mistake. The brushes are inside of here. And so, according to what I've seen, we just have to undo these clips. Oh, and there, that's the brush. There's one on each side. Here's the other one here. That came out quite easily. So now I will get the other ones and try put them in. So I got 4 of these. They're Makita CB407 brushes, which are supposed to fit in this drill. They're about $14 Canadian for 4 of them. So that's, I don't know, $3 US or something. You can see the old ones compared to the new ones. Quite a bit is worn off. It doesn't seem like it matters which way these go. So I'm just gonna slide that in there and hope for the best. There, that went in pretty well. Maybe if I put it in the other way, it'll be more manageable. All right there. Looks like it's in there. Okay, so I put the cover back on, and now we'll try it out. There it is. I think that's more normal. No blue flames. So I'm gonna try it out a bit and see. Hopefully that worked. I hope that helps you guys if you have the same problem.